back to Making Games with Unity. Today, I'm going to show you on how to make your if statement shorter. So right now, we have something like this. You have some if statement here and an else statement, right? So if A is equal to 1, this will print hello, else world. So now I'm going to run this. Of course, it will print hello. So right now, we're going to make this if statement shorter. So to do that, you need something like this. Message equal, then your condition, A equals to 1. Then, if A is equal to 1, we're going to put hello. Else, we're going to put world. Alright, so I'm going to comment out this part. And now, this is our new if statement. So here, there's a condition here. If A is equal to 1, we will print this, and then else we're going to print this. Let's go back to our Unity project, clear the lag, and then play it. Ta-da! Alright, so I want to make this condition false. Let's put it 2. Alright, save again and go back to our Unity project and play again. This will print world. Alright, so guys, that's how you make your if statement shorter. Imagine you have something like this, right? This thing, and then you'll convert it to this one. Alright, so that will help you to make your code shorter. And that's it, guys. I hope you learned something today, and I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and please click those notification bell. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and see you next time.